Are you looking for ways to boost your glutathione levels? Look no further than your own kitchen. Here are some easy and delicious recipes that can help increase your levels of this important antioxidant. Starting with breakfast, try a bowl of Greek yogurt with mixed berries. Yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, while berries are packed with antioxidants. By adding these two ingredients together, you're not only starting your day off right, but also helping to increase your glutathione levels. For lunch, consider a colorful salad filled with leafy greens, colorful vegetables, and a variety of nuts and seeds. Not only will you get a boost of glutathione, but you'll also get plenty of fiber, protein, and healthy fats to keep you fueled throughout the day. For dinner, try a simple roasted chicken with sweet potatoes and green beans. Chicken is packed with protein and amino acids, which are essential for glutathione production. Adding in sweet potatoes, which are high in vitamin C and beta-carotene, and green beans, which are rich in folate, creates a well-rounded meal that can help boost your glutathione levels. And for a healthy snack, consider sliced apples with almond butter. Apples are rich in antioxidants, while almond butter provides a healthy dose of protein and healthy fats. This delicious snack will not only satisfy your cravings, but will also help increase your glutathione levels. Thanks for watching. Try incorporating these recipes into your daily routine to help increase your glutathione levels. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on healthy living.